welcome to Audi Mack Mechanical, and in this short brief video I'm gonna just tell you that I sold the Cavalier. To be honest with you, it to me wasn't effective me doing it outside with the weather we've got here, and here's Tina coming now because I'm just wondering what I'm doing in the car. I'm just making a wee video. Hello Tina, I'm making a wee video for YouTube. Aye, so I sold the Cavalier because it wasn't feasible me doing it outside. That doesn't mean to say I couldn't do it, it just means that the weather wasn't in it to do it. It's been raining up here. To be fair, it's probably better off that it went in a garage to get done, or in a workshop of some sort. And I sold it to a guy who's going to put it back on the road anyway, so, that's a good thing, like. It means it'll live on, He says he'll keep me updated with pictures and such like, so he has my telephone number and all that. So basically I'm going to move on. I've got a customer's car tomorrow, but I've pulled a muscle in my stomach now and it's giving me a bit of jip. But I'm not booked today anyway, so just pottering about here. It's been spitting rain. I took Tina shopping there just now. We're basically looking for another project, not sure what. I did inquire about a BMW 318, but it's quite expensive, to be honest. I think it needs brake pipes and other bits and bobs, and it's not local to me, so I lost out in an Astra Mark V van there the other day that needed a steering rack. There's a few things that I've been looking at, but I'll be honest with you, the sort of prices in cars is, people are wanting crazy money, £500-600 for cars, but I haven't got an MOT. I looked at a VW EOS convertible. It just looks like a convertible Golf to me, like, and that's a 2010, I think, something like that. But it needs a DPF, and there was a problem with the engine mount at the MOT. There's a few problems with it, so I just thought to myself, it's just, too much for the money that he wants a DPF. I looked at a DPF, it's probably around £400 for that car, to spend £400 on a car without actually doing any other work, just putting a DPF on it, and then maybe you've got brakes or tires even, to do on the car, it's not effective. It's just maybe if you just want the car for yourself, it's alright, but not for a car that you want for to keep on the road, I've got a council guy here just walking past. I hope he's not coming to give me grief about the rubbish I've got lying outside my house. So we'll wait and see. I've got a couple of tires there and a old bumper plastic I need to get rid of. So I've plenty to be going on with. Some scrap metal there for Ian. A couple of strimmer engines that I'll probably go to scrap. I don't know if Tim wants them or what. Tim Grasscutter Farmer, we shout out to him all. And I'd like to thank all my members, channel members, Kirsty Gibson, Braveheart, Tina, Gerald Adopt, Rojan, Yanalyn, all the members, can't remember these at all, sorry. Steve SRT8, we got a wee shout out. We're looking forward to doing something in the future anyway. So there's obviously work to do on this car. I've got to fix the glove box again. I don't think you'd want to watch that video again, to be fair. But I had to look at my heater blower window demist because the solenoid motor stuck on that, so I'll probably get a video on that. But it's just a silicone spray that I'm going to put on it to loosen it all off anyway. And there'll be something coming in the next couple of weeks, you know. I just thought, you know, a lot of you, you know, some of you come to the live stream, some of you don't, you know, some of you just watch the videos, you know. So I know there's no mechanic in this video, and it's just a chatty kind of video, you know, just a kind of vlog. And in all honesty, you know, I could have brought you some mechanics, you know, reference putting some fluid in my car and stuff like that, but no, nothing really fancy, you know. So, but anyway, right, I hope you like it. Leave us a comment you want to ask us anything, and get back to me. And like I say, you want a review on the Audi A4 is running great. To be fair, touch wood, it's no let me down. It's no let me down, so 5 years on, I'm quite happy with it. The only thing I'm a bit pissed off with is the speed limits and stuff like that. As you all know, this 20 mph speed limits really do me nothing. Kind of that's a bit annoying, but what can I do? Well, right, see you on the next one.